Mic test.
Good morning to all our esteemed guests, literacy advocates, and friends. It's a privilege to gather today for the 2024 National Literacy Awards, a celebration of excellence and commitment to advancing literacy in our nation.
Today, we come together to honor remarkable individuals and teams whose dedication and passion have set them apart. Their contributions inspire us not only to reach higher, but to believe in the transformative power of talent and perseverance.
The fourth runner-up is Miss Catherine Caloscos from Cordova Central Elementary School Learning Center. The winners for NALSTAR will receive a specially designed trophy for NLA 2024 plus cash prizes po. Okay, the fourth runner-up will receive 25,000 pesos. From Malay-Balay Community Learning Center, Miss Ronami Palma, 1,000 pesos. Ayan. We will release all the cash prizes for today. Yes. We have the check and for the others, cash. Ayan. Congratulations, ma'am. On to the next. The second runner-up is from Escuela Community Learning Center. Also will receive 25,000 pesos and trophy. On Bansad Junior. Ayan. Next, malapit-lapit na po tayo sa exciting part. We have the first runner-up from Apopong District Community Learning Center. Also will receive 25,000 pesos plus trophy. Alright, this is the most exciting part, the grand winner. The grand winner will receive 250,000 cash and a special trophy. Ops, ops, ops! Ops, ops, ops! The grand winner for this year's National ALS Teachers Achievement Recognition Award is Mr. Hill Depositario. Congratulations, sir! Congratulations! Allah. Can we have all the winners for later, ha? Let's go. Mabilis lang. Okay. Apo, after lang po. Ayan. And for information also, the other 10 shortlisted applicants will receive 10,000 each.
Once again, congratulations to all the NALSTAR winners, and we would like to request the fourth runner-up, third runner-up, second runner-up, first runner-up to join our grand winner on stage for the photo opportunity, together with a representative of Cebuana Luilier and Bureau of Alternative Learning Center Systems.
These teachers have embraced a shared mission recognizing the profound impact of literacy. Through perseverance and determination, they have turned challenges into opportunities, proving that literacy is indeed life-changing. Again, congratulations to the winners of the Null Star. A round of applause for them.